Today I discuss about the modulus of a complex number. Modulus or absolute value of a real number. So if we find modulus of a real number, for example, modulus 2, it is equal to 2. Modulus minus 4, modulus of minus 4 or magnitude of minus 4, it is equal to plus 4. If we take modulus of 0, it is equal to 0. So कुनै पनि रियल नंबर को मोडुलस लेख्दा नेगेटिभ नंबर हुँदैन. मोडुलस अफ अ रियल नंबर इज अलवेज नन नेगेटिभ. मोडुलस अफ 0 is 0, 0 is not positive. So we should say modulus of a real number is always non-negative real number. So while finding the modulus, we get every time result non-negative real number. So how we define the modulus of a real number? The modulus of a real number x denoted by mod x is a non-negative real number defined as modulus x is equal to x if x is greater or equal to 0, minus x if x is less than 0. The modulus of a real number x is denoted by modulus x is a non-negative real number defined as modulus x is x if x is greater or equal to 0, minus x if x is less than 0. Modulus of 7, if x is greater than 0, while finding the modulus, without any change remove the modulus. Modulus 7 is equal to 7 by the definition, as 7 is greater than 0. Modulus 0, it is equal to 0. If x is 0, then modulus x equal to x. If we take modulus of minus 3, if x is negative, then modulus of that real number is equal to, with negative sign, write that number outside the modulus, then it becomes 3. यदि मोडुलस भित्र नेगेटिभ नंबर छ, x लेस देन 0 means x is negative, तो मोडुलस बाहिर लेख्दा write that number with negative sign in case the number is negative. For example, modulus of minus 3 is equal to minus of minus 3. It becomes 3. हामीहरु डाइरेक्ट के गर्छौं, मोडुलस अफ minus 3 हो भने 3 लेख्छौं. डेफिनिसन बाट पनि we get 3, negative of negative 3. So every time what we get, modulus of a real number is a non-negative real number. Modulus of 3, it is equal to 3, as 3 is positive. In case 3, any number is positive, remove modulus without any change in that number. So modulus 3 is equal to 3. Here there is a question. Minus 3 is different from 3, but modulus of minus 3 is equal to modulus of 3. What is its geometrical meaning? minus 3 भन्दा डिफरेंट हो, तर modulus of minus 3 is equal to modulus of 3. What is the geometrical meaning of this? As we know, each real number represents a unique point of a straight line. So minus 3 represents a point on the straight line on the left side of 0. -1, -2. These two also lies on the left side of 0 as being negative. 1, 2, 3. So position of -3 and +3, these are not same. These are representing different points on line. So we write -3 is different from +3. But when we measure the distance of 3 from 0, distance of 3 from 0, it is 3, and we can write it also by modulus 3. What is the distance of -3 from 0? Its distance is also 3. So how we represent? We can represent by the modulus of -3. So what we observe? -3 and +3, these are two different points on a straight line, but these are at the same distance from 0. So this is the geometrical meaning of this relation. -3 and +3 represent two different points. -3 and +3 represent two different points on the number line, but these are equidistant from the point representing 0. So that we observe in this figure, and it is represented like this. -3 is different from +3, but modulus of -3 is equal to modulus of +3. So this is the geometrical meaning of this relation. Modulus of 4 minus 1 and modulus of 1 minus 4, these are equal. 1 minus 4, 4 minus 1 is not equal to 1 minus 4, but while taking their modulus, these are equal. What is the reason? What is its geometrical meaning? One and 4 represent two different points on the number line. The distance of 1 from 4, distance of 1 from 4 is modulus 4 minus 1, and distance of 4 from 1 modulus 1 minus 4. As end points are same, so whether we measure the distance of 4 from 1 or the distance of 1 from 4, it remains same. So this is the meaning of modulus 4 minus 1 is equal to modulus 1 minus 4. Although these are different, points are not same. These two points are different. So when you take their difference, whether 1 minus 4 and 4 minus 1, their values are different. But when we take the modulus, we are finding distance between them. So whichever point is taken first doesn't matter. The distance between 1 to 4 and 4 to 1 remains the same. So modulus A minus B indicates the distance between two points Modulus A minus B indicates the distance between 2 points A and B on the number line. So same way, modulus 4 minus 1 or 1 minus 4, their modulus represent the same distance. Modulus of a real number is maximum value of the set containing elements x and minus x for all x belonging to R. This stands for the maximum value of the set containing elements x and minus x. We can write the same question as modulus x is equal to the maximum value of the set containing elements x and minus x. This can be written in short, max of the set containing elements x and minus x. With the help of the definition of the modulus of real number, we can prove it. If x is a real number, then either x is greater than 0 or x is equal to 0 or x is less than 0. As we know, each real number represents a unique point of a straight line. So if the number is real, that should be on the right side of 0 or at 0 or on the left side of 0. X less than 0 means x lies on the left side of 0. For all x greater or equal to 0, modulus x is equal to x. By definition, if x is positive, what will be the maximum value of the set containing elements x and minus x? The maximum value of the set containing these two elements will be x in case x is positive. If it is 0, then 0 and minus 0 will be the same. So the maximum element in that case will be x, whether x is greater than 0 or equal to 0. So modulus x is equal to maximum value of the set containing these two elements x and minus x in case x is greater or equal to 0. For all x less than 0, modulus x is equal to minus x. By definition, if x is negative, if x is negative, then minus x will be positive. So out of these two, which one is the greatest? Minus x will be the greater value in case x is negative, and maximum value of this set then minus x for the case x negative, x less than 0. So in both cases, what we observe, modulus x is equal to the maximum value of the set containing two elements. Take an example. Modulus plus 5, modulus of 5, it is equal to maximum value of the set containing two elements 5 and minus 5. So out of 5 and minus 5, which one is greater? 5 is greater. So modulus 5 is equal to 5. We can write with the help of this also. Modulus of minus 5, maximum value of the set containing element minus 5 and minus of minus 5. Negative of minus 5 is taken and minus 5 as it is. These are two elements. So which one is greater? Minus of minus 5 is greater. In case we are taking 0, maximum of 0 and minus 0 both are same, element is same. So maximum value of the set containing only one element, that element is itself. So maximum value of modulus x is maximum value of the element containing two elements x and minus x. Whatever be the element may be positive real number or negative real number or 0. A square of modulus x is equal to x square for all x belonging to R. For all x greater or equal to 0, modulus x is equal to x by the definition of modulus of a real number. So squaring both sides, a square of modulus x is equal to x square. For all x less than 0, modulus x is equal to minus x by definition. A squaring both sides, so a square of modulus x is equal to x square for all x whether the real number is positive or 0 or negative. If we are taking the square of the modulus, it is same as a square of that real number. Modulus x is greater or equal to x for all x belonging to R. If x belongs to R, if x is a real number, then then only one of the following can hold at a time. Either x is greater than 0 or x is equal to 0 or x is less than 0. For all x greater than 0, modulus x is equal to x. यदि कुनै नंबर पोजिटिभ छ भने त्यसलाई मोडुलस भित्र राखे या मोडुलस बाहिर, भ्यालु विल बी सेम. सो फर अल x ग्रेटर देन 0, मोडुलस x इज इक्वल टू x, मोडुलस 2 इक्वल टू 2, मोडुलस 3 इक्वल टू 3 पोजिटिभ नंबर को केसमा. फर x इज इक्वल टू 0 अल्सो मोडुलस x इज इक्वल टू x, मोडुलस 0 इक्वल टू 0 इन केस x इज 0. for all x less than 0, modulus x and x, when we compare, you say modulus x is equal to minus x, but we want to compare modulus x and x. In case x is less than 0, what will happen? X is negative by the condition, but the modulus x is not negative. So when you compare these two will not be equal. One is negative, other is positive. So which one will be greater? Positive is greater. Modulus x is greater than x. So out of these three, from these three cases, what we conclude? Modulus x is greater or equal to x for all x belonging to R. x यदि रियल नंबर हो भने मोडुलस x को भ्यालु हुन्छ आइदर ग्रेटर देन x और इक्वल टू x. इक्वल कुन केसमा? इफ x इज ग्रेटर देन 0 और x इज इक्वल टू 0, then equality occurs. In case x is negative and we are comparing modulus x and x, then modulus x will be greater than x. Also prove that modulus x is greater or equal to minus x for all x belonging to R. If x is a real number, then only one can hold at a time, whether x is greater than 0, means the real number lies on the right side of 0 or at 0, or it lies on the left side of 0. If x is greater than 0, if the number is positive and we are comparing these two number is positive, so its value is equal to x, but we are comparing with minus x, so which one is negative? Minus x is negative. Then what will be the relation between these two? Definitely these two will not be equal. Then which one will be greater? Modulus x is greater than minus x. If x is 0 and we want to compare modulus x and minus x, x is 0. Even when you are taking minus 0, it is same as equal to 0. So modulus x is equal to minus x for x is equal to 0. X is negative. X less than 0 means x is negative. Then minus x is written. So minus x is positive. Modulus x is also positive. So these two are equal in case x is negative. So from these three, what we conclude? Modulus x is either greater or equal to minus x for all x belonging to R. So prove that modulus x plus y less or equal to modulus x plus modulus y for all x y belonging to R. कुनै पनि रियल नंबर को मोडुलस को स्क्वायर र त्यो रियल नंबर को स्क्वायर को भ्यालु सेम हुन्छ. जस्ट वी हैव शोन a square of modulus x plus y, it is equal to a square of x plus y. Multiply x plus y with itself, then x a square plus 2xy plus y a square. कुनै पनि रियल नंबर को स्क्वायर र त्यसको मोडुलस को स्क्वायर को सेम भ्यालु हुन्छ. So for x a square we can write a square of modulus x. For y a square of modulus y. These two have equal value. Now we have to compare these two. First and third terms are same. Modulus x a square, modulus y a square. Only the change is in 2xy. For 2xy, we have written twice of modulus x, modulus y. Then what will be the difference? These two, in these two steps, what will be the difference that can be made by the replacement of x by modulus x, y by modulus y. So just we have shown what will happen. Modulus x is greater or equal to x. Modulus y is greater or equal to y. So the product of these two is greater or equal to the product of twice xy. Then the sum of these three terms is either greater or equal to the sum of these three. As being in the form a square plus 2ab plus b square, it is whole square of a plus b, whole square of modulus x plus modulus y. So these two are equal. Equality or inequality occurs only between two steps. This equality occurs between these two. So when from the beginning we compare a square of modulus x plus y is less or equal to a square of modulus x plus modulus y. Modulus x plus y is less or equal to modulus x plus modulus y. This completes the proof. The symbol, this indicates less than or equal to. If we are taking two numbers, both symbols cannot hold at a time. In case the numbers are real, 2 is less than 3, 4 is equal to 4, 5 is equal to 5, 0 equal to 0, minus 1 is less than 2. So out of these two, only one can hold at a time if you are taking two real numbers. That's why we should say like this, less than or equal to, not less than and equal to. Take an example. We are taking the value of x, both positive, one negative, other positive, x positive, y negative, both negative. And the question is, verify this relation just we have proved. Find one by one. Modulus x plus y, find their values separately. Modulus 2 plus 3 when x is 2, y is 3. So the value of modulus x plus y is modulus 5 and it is positive. So these are equal. And modulus x plus modulus y, modulus 2 plus modulus 3, 2 plus 3, 5. So modulus x plus y is equal to modulus x plus modulus y when x is 2 and y is 3. अब यहाँ इक्वल साइन छ, यो भेरिफिकेसन भयो कि भएन क्वेश्चनमा छ, भेरिफाई लेस और इक्वल टू मोडुलस एक्स प्लस मोडुलस वाई. भेरिफाई भइसक्यो, यहाँ छ लेस और इक्वल. सो इक्वल साइन आएपछि भेरिफाइड भयो. अब तिमी भन्छौ हैन इक्वल छ लेस पनि देखाउनु छ, त्यो एक्स इज इक्वल टू 2 र वाई इक्वल टू 3 हो भने फर्स्ट लेस हुँदैन, इक्वल नै हुन्छ. हेन्स modulus x plus modulus y, modulus x plus y is equal to less or equal to modulus x plus modulus y is verified when x is 2 and y is 3. अब सेकेन्ड मा when x is minus 2 and y is 3, when x is minus 2 and y is 3, modulus x plus y minus 2 plus 3 co-modulus modulus 1, it is equal to 1. One is less than 5. modulus x plus y is less than modulus x plus modulus y when x is minus 2 and y is 3. So only inequality occurs in case the number x is negative, y is positive. In third, when x is 2 and y is minus 3, modulus x plus y modulus 2 plus minus 3 modulus of minus 1, it is equal to 1. Modulus x plus y modulus x plus modulus y is equal to modulus of 2 plus modulus of minus 3 equal to 5. 1 is less than 5. Here also what we observe, modulus of x plus y is less than modulus x plus modulus y when x is 2 and y is minus 3. So inequality occurs if x and y have different sign. In fourth, modulus x plus y, it is equal to modulus minus 2 plus minus 3 when x is minus 2 and y is minus 3. So modulus minus 5, it is equal to 5. Modulus x plus modulus y, modulus of minus 2 plus modulus of minus 3, 2 plus 3 is equal to 5. So modulus x plus y is equal to modulus x plus modulus y if x and y both are negative. So what we observe, whether modulus x plus y is less or equal to modulus x plus modulus y. If x and y both have same sign, then equality occurs. If x and y have different sign, then inequality occurs. So either this is less than modulus x plus modulus y or equal to modulus x plus y is equal to modulus x plus modulus y. So by taking example, the relation has been verified. First was proof. If modulus x is less than a, then prove that x is greater than minus a and less than plus a. Let modulus x be less than a, then maximum value of the set containing elements x and minus x is less than a. This implies if x is maximum element, then it will be less than a. Then a smaller than this, minus x definitely less than a. If minus x is the greatest value and that is less than a, then it's a smaller value, x definitely less than a. So when maximum value of the set containing these two elements is less than a, both x and minus x are less than a. Multiply both sides by minus 1. Then inequality sign will be reversed. Like an example, minus 1 is less than 2. We are multiplying by the same number minus 1 both sides. Then inequality sign is reversed. Plus 1 is greater than minus 2. So in case of the multiplication, if we are multiplying both sides by the same number, but the number is negative, then inequality will be reversed. x is less than a and x is greater than minus a. X is greater than minus a भन्नु र minus a less than x both are same. First writing minus a is less than x, then x is less than a. This is what we have to prove. If modulus x is less than a, then x is greater than minus a and less than plus a. If modulus x is less or equal to a, then prove that x is greater or equal to minus a, less or equal to plus a. Our assumption is modulus x less or equal to a, and by the definition modulus of x is maximum value of the set containing two elements x and minus x. So if equality occurs in the condition, in result also equality occurs. So if modulus x is less or equal to a, then x is greater or equal to minus a, less or equal to plus a. This property can be used to remove the modulus of a real number. So if the question is like this, rewrite modulus 2x plus 3 less or equal to 7 without modulus sign. If this is the question, modulus 2x plus 3 less or equal to 7 implies x plus 3 less or equal to 7 greater or equal to minus 7. By the property just we have proved, if the modulus of a real number x is less or equal to a, then x lies between negative and positive of that real number. As this is the real number less or equal to 7, so this real number is greater or equal to minus 7, less or equal to plus 7. We have to make only x between the inequalities. So first remove 3, subtract 3 from each term, minus 7 minus 3, 2x plus 3 minus 3, 3 is subtracted from each term, so inequality will remain as it is. We want to make only x between the inequalities, so multiply each term by 1 by 2. Each number is multiplied by a positive number 1 by 2. So inequality sign will remain as it is. Inequality will be reversed only when the factor is negative, but the number by which we are multiplying each term is positive 1 by 2. Minus 5 less or equal to x less or equal to 2. So x lies between minus 5 to 2. So on the number line, if the real number is greater than minus 5 less than plus 2, then modulus 2x plus 3 definitely less than 7. If we take minus 5 or 7 or 2, then the equality sign will occur. Between minus 5 and 2, if any number is taken, then modulus 2x plus 3 is less than 7. First solve this inequality and then represent the solution set on the number line. Modulus minus 2x plus 1 is less or equal to 3 implies the number that is written in the modulus is greater or equal to minus 3, less or equal to plus 3. By the property just we have written. We have to solve it, means we have to find the value of x. So make x alone between the inequalities, subtract 1 from each term, minus 3 minus 1, minus 2x plus 1 minus 1, 3 minus 1. Equal number is subtracted from each. So inequality sign remains as it is. Multiply each term by minus 1 by 2. The factor is negative, minus 1 by 2. So inequality is reversed. Two is greater than x, or we can say x is less or equal to 2. 2 is greater or equal to x, or x is less or equal to 2, both are same. X is greater or equal to minus 1, or minus 1 is less or equal to x. So the value of x lies from minus 1 to 2, including minus 1 and 2, representing the solution. What will be the solution set? Solution set is the set of real numbers x greater or equal to minus 1, less or equal to plus 2. It is the closed interval minus 1 to 2, representing graphically on the number line the set of all points of a straight line represents our set of all real numbers, and from the set of all real numbers, those points which are right side of minus 1, left side of 2, including minus 1 and 2, these are values of x satisfying this inequality, minus 2x plus 3 less or equal to x. So this is the graphical representation of solution, and solution is the closed interval minus 1 to 2. If x is greater than minus a and less than plus a, then prove that modulus x is less than a, where a is a positive real number and x is any real number. This is the converse of the previous question. Let x be greater than a and less than a and greater than minus a, then separately we can write this condition as minus a is less than x and x is less than a. Multiplying both sides by minus 1, minus of minus a and minus x. So if we are multiplying by negative number, although the number is same, inequality is reversed. A is greater than minus x is same as minus x is less than a. Minus x is less than a and also x is less than a. Both x and minus x are less than a. It means modulus of x is less than a. Since modulus x is x for x greater or equal to 0 minus x for x less than 0. So whatever be the value of modulus x, both x and minus x are less than a for all x belonging to R. So modulus x is less than a. So this completes the proof. If the in condition, another question, x is less or equal to a, greater or equal to minus a, then prove that modulus x is less or equal to a. These two statements can be written, their combined form is this: when we multiply by minus 1, inequality is reversed. A is greater or equal to minus x is less or equal to a, both are same. So combined form of these two, whatever be the value of modulus x, it may be x or minus x, as both are less or equal to a. So modulus x itself is less or equal to a. We have to write within the modulus same inequality. With the help of the theory just we have explained, the number on both sides must be same. How can you make them same? One negative, other positive. Then the modulus of the number that is written between them can be written less or equal to the positive number. So how can you make these two number same? By certain addition, multiplication or subtraction, we have to find the number. Its technique is add these two numbers and divide it by 2. What we get? 1. Subtract 1 from each side. This is the technique by which we find the number. Subtract 1. Same number is subtracted from each, so inequality sign will not change. Minus 2 is less or equal to x minus 1, less or equal to plus 2. So x minus 1 is greater or equal to minus 2, less or equal to plus 2. Therefore, modulus of x minus 1 is less or equal to plus 2. This is the way of making same number on both sides. If this is the question, minus 1 less or equal to x, less or equal to 4, using modulus sign, express this relation. By same procedure, find the sum of 1, minus 1 and 4, divide it by 2, it is 3 by 2. Subtract 3 by 2 from each term. Same number is subtracted. then the inequality sign will not change. In subtraction or addition, inequality sign will not change whether you are adding positive number or negative number. Only inequality will be reversed in case the number by which you are multiplying is negative. Minus 5 by 2 plus 5 by 2. Multiply each term by 2. As 2x minus 3 less or equal to plus 5, greater or equal to minus 5. So, modulus of 2x minus 3 is less or equal to 5. The question is rewrite minus 6 less or equal to x less or equal to 4 using modulus sign. The technique is add these two numbers, minus 6 plus 4, divide it by 2. It is equal to minus 1, subtract minus 1. Subtract minus 1 means add 1, minus of minus 1 is 1. So, minus 6 plus 1, x plus 1, 4 plus 1. 1 is added to each term. So, minus 5 is less or equal to x plus 1 less or equal to plus 5. Modulus x plus 1 is less or equal to 5. If this is the question, prove that modulus x is less or equal to a if and only if x is greater or equal to minus a less or equal to plus a, where a is greater than 0 and x is any real number. It is the combined form of two questions that we have already proved. If modulus x is less or equal to a, then minus a is less or equal to x less or equal to a, one question, write its proof. If minus x is less or equal to x less or equal to a, then modulus x is less or equal to a, another question. When you write the proof of both, then the proof of this question will be completed. It is the combined form of two questions. If this, then this result. If this, then modulus x less or equal to a. So, when you combine them, the proof will be completed. So, आजलाई यति, नेक्स्ट क्लासमा फर्दर डिस्कसन गर्छु। त बुकबाट प्र्याक्टिस गर्नुपर्छ। रियल नम्बर सिस्टम, सेट्स रियल नम्बर सिस्टमबाट जति पनि एक्सरसाइज छ सबै क्वेसन गर्ने।